Understanding Food Composition, a guide to nutritional elements. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and important topic: food composition. This concept is not just vital for those interested in nutrition, but it's also a great way to expand your English vocabulary and understanding of common phrases related to food and health. Let's dive in. Food composition refers to the different elements that make up a food item. This includes nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Understanding food composition is crucial for maintaining a healthy diet and knowing what you're consuming. Each nutrient plays a unique role in our body, and we'll explore these in detail. In this section, we discuss macronutrients, which are nutrients required in larger amounts by our body. They include proteins, essential for growth and repair of body tissues; carbohydrates, our body's main energy source; fats, important for energy, and they also aid in nutrient absorption. We'll look at examples of foods rich in these macronutrients and how they contribute to our health. Here, we focus on micronutrients, which are required in smaller quantities but are equally important. They include vitamins, organic compounds essential for various body functions; minerals, inorganic elements that play roles in bone health, oxygen transport, and more. We'll explore the different types of vitamins and minerals and the foods that are good sources of these micronutrients. In this section, we'll learn how to apply our knowledge of food composition to create a balanced diet. A balanced diet includes the right proportion of macronutrients and micronutrients. We'll also discuss dietary guidelines and how they can vary depending on age, gender, and lifestyle. Here, we connect food composition with overall health and well-being. We'll discuss how a balanced diet can prevent nutrition-related diseases and contribute to a healthier lifestyle. We'll also touch on the importance of understanding food labels and how they can help in making informed food choices. Thank you for joining us in this journey through the world of food composition. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in both enhancing your English language skills and your understanding of nutrition. Remember, a well-balanced diet contributes to a healthy life. Keep exploring and stay healthy.